All right, we're going on another Starbucks run. Today we're going to try the Dubai Chocolate Latte. At least I think that's what it's called. And Dubai chocolate is like the rage right now. Why, I have no idea. You go to the store, it seems like they've got Dubai chocolate everything. And by the way, we did make a Dubai chocolate bar ourselves. And you might want to check out that video. It turned out really good. So anyways, yeah, we're going to go try the Dubai chocolate. Hopefully it'll be delicious. Just by the name, it's probably going to have tons of sugar. So I'm going to get a small, or I guess they call it a tall. And I'm going to get decaf because I don't do much caffeine anymore. So come along with us. We'll see you at Starbucks.
This is my Mika.
Starbucks. Mika.
Go, let's go.
Mika's coming too. She's gonna have a puppuccino. I don't see it on the menu.
What?
I don't see the Dubai chocolate thing on the menu.
You can ask. Mika, you happy?
Mika, you're shaking. Are you cold?
Maybe she's scared. She
What is
doesn't know.
Robert gonna want?
Rob, what are you getting? You don't want to try that to buy?
Maybe he wants something
Or
else.
you want something else? Huh?
Alright, so the Dubai chocolate mocha latte. It's basically a mocha latte with pistachio cold foam. So hopefully it's delicious. Let's try it. It's better than I expected. Yeah, it's very good. It's Starbucks, so it's, basically liquid sugar or a liquid dessert. But it is delicious and it works. It does taste like Dubai chocolate.
Does it taste pistachio?
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't taste heavy pistachio, but it kind of has that pistachio cream flavor that Dubai chocolate does. Obviously, when you're making it into a coffee drink, it's not going to be exact, but I say it's better than expected. If you love Dubai chocolate, then I think it's something you can try. Because she likes her puppuccino.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. And it's nice because we had the ice storm. We really didn't get that much ice, but it was enough where it was too cold to come outside, and it's finally melted for the most part, and it's nice to get out of the house finally. Mika is getting crazy.
Maybe it's enough for Mika. I wish I put just one. I would rather drink cappuccino than this.
After checking on the internet, that drink in a medium size is 57 grams of sugar. It didn't give the amount of sugar for a tall. It said it's a little less. So let's say it's, 50
Or 55?
or 52. We'll say 52. So 1 teaspoon of sugar is 4 grams. So for 52 grams of sugar, that would be 13 teaspoons, which is crazy. Like, who would ever sit down and just consume 13 teaspoons of sugar? So
In that small amount.
in that small amount. So I will never buy that drink again because it's way too much sugar. But I still say it was delicious. My wife didn't like it at all though, so regardless of the sugar, she doesn't want it again either. And Mika, I feel like she likes the puppuccino, but we can't give her too much because when you give her too much, I think the oil is too much for her stomach and she ends up vomiting. So we just have to limit her amount. All right, that concludes our Starbucks Dubai Chocolate Mocha review.
You guys say bye. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. One of my guests sent me a gift. Her name's Susan Miller, and she's the creator of astrologyzone.com. And I think it's the oldest astrology website that there is. She was on about a week or two ago, and she was giving us the astrological predictions for 2026, and I was sent one of their calendars. And this is what it looks like. And it's very nice. So, I'm not an astrologer, so I can't really give you accurate information about what is going on in this calendar. There's Susan, by the way. But if you are into astrology, I think this calendar can be an amazing resource. I mean, it's telling you retrograde dates, best new moons and full moons. So here's February. Let's go to January, right? So here's January for Capricorns. And as you can see here, many of the days give you information. For example, like here, Neptune re-enters Aries, a feature of 2026. Last time Neptune was in Aries was from... So if that makes sense for you, then I think you'll find this calendar to be amazing. Anyways, it's a beautiful calendar, and it's nice, and it's got some nice thick paper on it. It's really well done.
So beautiful.
Let's look at May. See, this is me, Gemini. Wait, it says Taurus though. Yeah, Gemini doesn't start until 21st. I guess, yeah, the majority of the month is Taurus. That's why it says Taurus. Let's look at the next page for Gemini. June, Gemini, there we go. And funny enough, you have the wedding picture here because probably June is one of the busiest months for weddings. So that's basically it. Susan, thank you so much for sending this calendar. And if you guys want to get one, you can check it out at astrologyzone.com.